Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change your profile picture on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Vrbo website and this is how it looks like. So this is how the homepage looks like. Right here you will find your place for together. From here you can choose the location you want to go to, the dates, and the number of travelers, the adults and children's. And right here in the top, you're gonna find get the app, United States, Tripports, list your property, help, my trips inbox, and lastly your profile name. Go ahead and click on it, and from here you're gonna find your profile right here. You're gonna also find right here the your email address. You're gonna find your balance on 1 key cash. So basically guys, as you can see right here, there is no option to add a profile picture in a VRBO. The only way to add your picture is by going to owner's dashboard, and then from here uh, you're gonna see all of your properties if you have any properties, and then you can go to there is an option in order to add your picture. You can just go ahead and click on it and then add your picture. If you go right here to my profile, you will only have these informations that you can edit, like the name, date of birth, accessibility needs, bio, and gender. You can also edit the contact section. You can add the mobile number, emergency contact, email, and lastly address. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.